As we've seen, southerly winds 5 to 15. Later on tonight, gusting to 20 miles an hour at times. So 85 by tomorrow afternoon. Very windy with southwest winds returning, gusting to 30 miles an hour. 51 through the heartland tonight. Quiet and still, but enjoy it while you can, because the winds will pick up tomorrow, gusting to 25 miles an hour. Sunny skies at about 83. So TGIF, sunny, windy, and warm. About the same on Saturday, except winds will gust to 40 miles an hour on Saturday, windy as well on Sunday, and then on Monday I'm going with 81 for a high temperature, partly sunny, and a 20% chance for showers and thunderstorms, going to